Here's what happens when you switch from Vanilla Titan to CoralBricks for an e-commerce store. On the left, you see Titan, which shows loosely related results to Halloween fabrics, scoring a relevance of 71%. On the right, you see CoralBricks, which understands use cases and categories of each product and asks in the query, scoring a relevance of full 100%. This is a real catalog with over 12,000 products, roughly 4 million tokens, and 10% of the products were missing descriptions, which were enriched automatically. CoralBricks improved top 5 precision by over 50% and won on 20% more queries, as evaluated by GPT-5 on our sample of queries. How does it work? We take your raw data, whether it is product catalogs, long documents, multimodal content. We then enrich it with structured attributes and summaries. We then create domain-aware embeddings that understand your data deeply. These embeddings can integrate into your existing retrieval stack, or you can use CoralBricks hybrid search and ranking for your full retrieval stack. Let's explore how CoralBricks AI can make your search and RAG applications truly relevant.